welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video is very helpful for you if you are preparing for TCS NQT and worried about the coding round, okay? Because many candidates face unexpected compiler issues that can cost them valuable marks, and if you want to avoid this, then watch this video till the end, okay? First we discuss about what is the basically what is problem, okay? So first we discuss about TCS compiler issue, okay? So the TCS compiler issue, like many students report issues like code not running properly despite being correct, okay? And sometimes find unexpected compilation error, and sometimes infinite loops causing auto submission, and sometimes input output mismatch, okay? And if I talking about second question, why does this happen and what is the reason for happening this? So basically TCS NQT uses a customized compiler which behaves slightly different than standard IDs like BS Code and IntelliJ IDE and some other IDs, okay? So some common reason for these issues include like strict input output format. Sometimes for small deviations can cause error in TCS compiler, and also it provide limited support. For example, some functions or libraries might not work in TCS compiler. This will also happen in, and sometimes memory and time constraints. So you need to be right code optimized. And now talking about what is the solution of this problem. So to avoid these problems, you should practice on a compiler that closely matches TCS NQT's environment, okay? So basically the reason is that in TCS NQT coding exam, you write full code, okay? Not write only function. Like if you coding in lead code and GFG, and there you write only function of the problem. But in TCS NQT you write full code, okay? So in this video I talking about where are you practice for your TCS NQT exam, and these compilers are like similar to the TCS NQT, okay? And after that I provide some tips for you. So first I discuss about the where are you practice. So for practice you can go a website like JDoodle, okay? When you go JDoodle website, simply click here you find two interfaces, build a web app and start coding. You simply click start coding, and then in which language you want to code, simply type. Like if I want to code in Java, then I simply type Java, okay? Then I click in Java, okay? After that click on start coding and interface open in front of you, and after that you write code here and see output here and provide input here, okay? Like if I and if you want to execute code, then simply click execute button and output will display here, okay? It takes some time, and then display output, and it gives that connection lost, okay? It's an internet problem. Nobody. I again check execute, okay? So it takes some time because it is an online compiler, and if you have a good network connectivity, then it smooth running, okay? Like it takes some time for giving, like it gives outputs 35, okay? Now right here I write system dot out dot print, okay, hello, okay? After that we write semicolon, because this compiler give you enhance experience, okay? After that click on execute, and it takes some time, running in progress, and after that it provide output, okay? And you can also practice on one compiler website, okay? This is also a website which is provide a compiler like TCS in this language. Also you search language, in which language you want to code. Like I want to code in Java, then I click on Java, and find the interface. Here you can input, and here you find output of the code, and from here you can take input. For example, if I write in this compiler int a equal to 5, here you see that you also need to include semicolon yourself, because this compiler do not provide any type of suggestion. Okay, so TCS compiler is like similar to that, it also not provide any suggestion. Okay, system.out.println, after that we print a and simply click on run button. Okay, after that we can see that our output is 9. Okay, so you can practice from there. And another website is Programmis, where you can also practice. So these are the basically some website where you can practice your TCS NQT coding exam. After that, if I talking about the some tips, so before the exam you make sure use sample test cases to check the hidden edge cases, and please understand problem deeply, and find in this way he wanted to input, and on this way he wanted to output. Okay, if they said please provide only output, no any message, then you provide only output, no any message, because sometimes if you provide any message that is not mentioned in their description, then it may also cause error. Okay, and you should avoid unnecessary complexity. Okay, I hope this video helps you prepare better for TCS NQT and avoid compiler related issue. If you find this video helpful for you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more job related updates. Also, you join my WhatsApp channel where I post job updates daily, and I also make a playlist on TCS NQT coding questions. If you not see that playlist, I provide the description of playlist in the playlist in the description. So go and see all the video related to TCS NQT coding. Okay, all the best for your exam.